Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the timer feature on your Spotlight 2 presentation remote with Options Plus, including how to set the time, enable haptic alerts, and stay on track during your presentations. The timer feature in Spotlight 2 helps you to manage your presentation time without the constant need to track the time. Let's get started. Step 1. Download or update to the latest version of the Logi Options Plus app from app.logi.com. Step 2. Connect the Spotlight 2 presentation remote using the Logi Bolt USB-C receiver or Bluetooth. Step 3. Click on your Spotlight 2 in Options Plus and click on Timer. Here you can choose the total duration for your presentation and then set haptic alerts as you reach key moments of your presentation. For example, I will set an alert when 15 minutes is left for my presentation and another alert when only 5 minutes are left. Spotlight 2 vibrates to notify you of the presentation time so you stay confident and in control. You can choose your preferred haptic feedback intensity, low, medium, or high. You can also turn on or off the timer haptic alerts by clicking the haptic feedback button. So, get ready to present, engage, and inspire with Spotlight 2. If you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe for more Logitech tips. Thanks for watching.